Look at from my thing. Is it good? The lighting?
Done. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Well, we're here in the airport. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Tia. And we're at the fucking airport. We're gonna go.
We have Andre in the back. Guys, ada Osborn, ada
Lalang.
ada Lalang. Cuman kita nggak tahu mereka di mana. Kalinda sama Fabio lagi berak. At F2. F2 nggak mau fokus. We're going to
Singapore.
karena kita teknik banget jadi kita mau lihat singa beneran.
Kita tadinya mau ke Blok M guys, but thank goodness God's plan, Allah's plan, kita bisa ke Singapura.
Because we're lazy as bitches, jadi Allah mentakdirkan kita ke tempat yang ribet banget.
Iya.
Hopefully we don't die.
While seated, please be advised that whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on under Singapore's Misuse of Drugs Act. Under the Act, drug trafficking may find that you have been exposed to immediately pocket payment by cash, voucher, Visa, or Mastercard. We will be serving planted.
Saya baru turun. We're landed safely. Tapi kita agak belakangan, soalnya Kalinda takut celananya melorot. Kita di Ciledug. Oh iya, lu kan mau pindahin ya? Gue baru inget.
My suitcase belum ada. Kayaknya suitcase gue dilempar pas lagi di perbatasan Banten.
Gitu. Apa ini natural element?
Ini natural elements-nya, ini ground stability. Jadi
Sushi juga sih kayak sushi itu.
Goblok. What's in my bag? Lihat betapa banyaknya itu, tapi ini tetap 6 kilo.
nggak bisa.
Gak bisa lah, tolong masukin itu loh.
Asli ini ada Andre, nanti dia ngeliat my privacy.
Gak bener anjir.
Gue udah mak banget.
Ayo shake.
Ayo boleh dia.
Mau shake. You know when you like lihat something and because like you've seen it so many times, lu bakal kayak oke, udah gitu doang.
Ya.
Gak mau fokus.
Oh gitu.
Alright, shake shack.
Iya.
Like we were so overtaken by the thought of hunger. Kita kayak biasa aja ngeliat fountain.
It's so fucking
It's stunning and it's pretty, but it's like, that's it, you know. For me personally.
I could have gotten, I don't know, donburi chicken at
Soalnya di sini juga merah.
Iya.
Look at the mess. Warna ini. Aerobis. It's like an asshole. Karena apa-apa kita harus gede.
bagus banget.
Kayak Intercontinental ini gede.
Apa namanya? Trotoar dipakai buat tempat jual pantek.
Astagfirullah.
Kalau buat truk pantek gak ada yang ngerti gak sih?
Siap. Jangan gitu goblok.
Hey, you look so good video. Yeah. Hi y'all.
Kita kayak beli banyak little things hari ini, not like big things. Karena kita big thingsnya tunggu tunggu kita ada sisa duit atau enggak.
Oh ya.
Iya sih. Kayak gue beli kipas ini hari ini. Gue terlalu like impulsive buying.
Yep.
We're on our way.
Emang.
Nggak, tapi maksud gue kayak di Indo nggak ada.
Iya, tapi kalau mau
I just wanna like film kita jalan ke hotel. By the way, kita ke hotel sekarang. Tapi kita mau stop by
kita harusnya
di sana. Tapi kita mau ke Sevel dulu.
mau level ini. Tadi itu berapa?
Mau Sevel dekat hotel kita aja.
Bagus. Kurang lagi.
Oke. Anyway, North Beach Road. Gue kayak males ngekat, jadi gue Kal. And if a double decker bus to die by your side.
To what?
Tom Holland. Holland Bakery. Gue juga aja. Gue kayak anyway, out of all semua tempat-tempat di sini kita pergi ke Sevel karena kita mau beli something quick.
Nasional dia ini Singapura.
Kita di Venice soalnya kita nggak ada schedule, jadi
Kita di Mall of Indonesia.
kita di Plaza Indonesia guys. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. Is my makeup okay? I don't freaking know. Hi, guys. Ini jam? What time is it? 18:17.
Itu kalau di Indo 1817 itu udah kayak kalau di Singapura tuh jam berapa?
Tahu. Tuh. Hah?
Ini kayak familiar. Ini udah nggak sih nih?
Iya kah?
Tadi di depannya ini dah. Enggak ya. Pokoknya patokan kita patung astronot.
Anyway, ini masih rolling ya. We're going home.
Jawab gak? Jangan gitu dong, jangan didokumentasi.
But you got my heart running away. Nah, gue mau matiin dulu bentar, mau navigasi. I'll come back. Bakal stay berapa lama? It's currently 8:21. Terus kita mau ke Merlion Park, mau ketemu Singa Teknik. Bye. Ini kita tiap Monas, and we're following maps buat ke Merlion Park. Merlion Park. Ketemu. Sorry.
Muka jelek, please.
Berapa? 8 minutes. Bentar lagi kita ketemu singa. Rar.
Apa?
Gue kira bakal bersuara pianonya. Padahal gue videoin.
Gue kira tung.
tung 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 sahur. And I love ballerina cappuccina. Belum. Me, I'm ballerina cappuccina. And I love tung 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 sahur. Terima kasih. Sekian performance gue.
Wait. Ai, Noci.
Gak kelihatan, oke. Mau berenang banget.
Bawa kaporit anak lo.
Sumpah. Mau berenang.
Gue suka bawa kaporit.
Gue suka itu ya soalnya.
Bensin
Soalan-
sama kaporit, gue lebih suka kaporit.
Iya jadi gue lebih suka kaporit. Soalnya kayak bensin kayak ya udah tempat bensin aja. Cuman kaporit gue bisa ada memorinya. Anjay, special experience.
Gue tiap hari udah cium bau kaporit.
Kenapa? Oh iya.
Soalnya ini, kalau tempat itu kan gue kan di lantai 1 sendiri.
Iya.
Terus depan kan kaca gue tuh di ujung gini.
Iya.
Kaca yang sini ngadep kolam.
Oh.
Kadang gue takut kolam.
Jadi lu menghirup
Iya,
bau-bau kolam renang.
tapi kan sampingnya ada pohon-pohon.
Iya.
Tapi kayak kalau tiap pagi gue kayak
Horor dong.
terus kayak anjing gue ada oksigen, ada kaporit, ada.
Gak apa-apa, bagus.
Sehat. Itu suka banget.
Video. Wih. Now we're back. Tia as our navigator, and them as fruit eaters, and me as a girl who's tired as shit. But after this, we're gonna stay. Maybe we're gonna stop by 7-Eleven. I don't know. And then I'm gonna cook noodles for my dinner, and then I'm gonna pass out like a baby with a pacifier. See you later.
banget.
Marina Bay Sands, look at them, just eating and ignoring life. Very adorable. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Arasa. We're not home yet, but I'm so bored. I'm just gonna film until this battery runs out. So, we're in Raffle. Gak tahu yang mana. Oh, sampai dia. She stopped. This is a memoriam thing, and we've been saying it looks like Monas because we compare everything to where we come from.
Where we come from, I come from Aussie.
Yesterday we walked 17,000 steps. Today we walked 23,000 steps.
Tomorrow we're gonna walk 30,000 steps.
Nah,
And the
don't
day
make
after
that
tomorrow,
a mistake.
40,000 steps.
But 23 steps is an equivalent to 18 kilometers. Isn't that crazy?
Capek, sumpah kaki gue nyut-nyut.
Me too. I'm so freaking tired. Actually.
Males nyebrangnya, sumpah ribet banget anjing.
Like, I feel like, but it's such a fun city to walk because there's like actually a place for you to walk. But the problem is because there's so many places to walk to, there's so many crossroads, and like when you're like as a driver in Singapore, it's so stressful because like every 5 seconds or like every minute there would be a stop sign and you would have to stop, and it's like a pretty long time. So I don't know what that adds to Singapore, but it's a fun city to walk in.
Yeah, unlike Indonesia,
I know.
our zebra cross aren't even that useful because people just cross the roads in every single area. I mean, I can't blame them. I would be like, I mean, I'm part of them too.
Yeah, like jaywalking isn't even illegal there, so refer to this because like the jaywalking works because the fee is expensive as fuck, but you can't simply do that in Indonesia because people are just gonna keep doing it with a high fee. I feel like, and people are gonna get away with doing something like that.
Yeah, because people are so fucking good at getting
I
away.
know. So, but yeah, what makes the city so good is because people actually follow the rules, and because of the big fees.
And because of their high IQ.
Yeah, and that's why their country is so prosperous compared to ours. Kind of sad looking at this, but you know what? It's fine. But like, I mean, like people like just enjoy each other's company here. Like, there's so many public places that like they share with each other and they don't disrupt anything. It's just like Singapore is like apa sih namanya? Is like a foreigner country, which just means like a lot of people live here. So like there's so many people with different walks of life, different races, different backgrounds. It's just really like they just enjoy each other's company. It's really beautiful to see. Alay lo, anyway.
Jadi night talk.
Ada gue ngeliat kayak orang-orang yang piknik tuh mereka semuanya they all have one thing in common. They laid on pink plastic things.
Yeah, pink, blue, yellow.
All of them.
Plastic square
Like-
sheets.
Uniform. Kalau misalnya di Indo banyak anjir ada yang bawa
Ada
ada yang
yang-
bawa karpet Turki kayak, ada yang bawa karpet
Matras.
Hello Kitty kayak.
kayak bener-bener gak enak banget dilihat. Ini kayak enak banget dilihat.
Iya.
Damn, kayak ada satu brand yang
Yeah.
gitu loh kayak, oh you should use this for.
Yeah, and it's not also because I mean it's disposable, so it's not that good. Tapi kayak maksud gue tuh, it's nice to see because it's
Yeah.
like a one-time thing. You're not gonna go to the park always, so that's a good thing, a handy thing to have. You know?
Mereka ngolah waste-nya gimana ya kalau saya kayak gitu? I mean, unless they nyimpen di tempat yang
Yeah.
bagus, ya it could be used all over again. But what?
But look at that. Overfilled. And
That's
that's
not as worse as ours.
I mean that's true. But I see less people that takes care of the public places here than in Jakarta. I feel like it's like in Jakarta there's like a lot of workers
Yeah.
working around the clock because people aren't disciplined and they have to clean it up all the time. But in here people take care of themselves.
Yeah,
So
low maintenance.
yeah, so there's no like public employees inside.
Ya. Dikit banget
Yeah.
walaupun ada dikit.
Especially like this late of a night where workers are usually at work, you know, because people are home and like they need to get the thing ready for the morning for people to use. But there's no one inside. No public worker inside that's taking care of this. And that says something because this place is pretty freaking clean.
Not pretty, but like very clean. Look at the fucking.
Very
Look at the pond at the memorial.
Look at the
It's so
water.
clean.
Look at the ripple.
It's not murky. I mean,
know.
compared to our, maybe like it has trash floating in the edges.
Yeah. Granted, it's green, but that's just because of like algae and stuff like that.
But this one doesn't. I mean, it maybe it does have algae, but
Maksa nge-vlog pakai HP gembel ini karena baterai gua nggak mau ke-charge. But anyway, kita lagi di
laut pasar.
pasar yang basah.
Pasar yang basah karena emang tadi hujan sih.
Jadi itu doang alasannya, karena hujan terus pasarnya basah. Terus sekarang
sama tadi ada yang tumpahin teh sosro.
sekarang kita mau ke Chinatown Street Market, terus habis itu mau cari parfum, and then mau ke Orchard mau beli
nggak jauh deh.
Brandy Melville. Ya. Gimmick.
Kalau air streetnya.
Oke, we from Chinatown, tapi kita sempat nyasar dikit. It's okay. Kita beli banyak barang. I beli banyak barang. Hana, George, hey,
Did you see my pussy and my butt? Yes, I did.
Rasa.
Did you guys see my pussy and my butt? Yes, you did.
This is for my friends. Ini enggak whole, tapi ada di plastiknya. Oh, very nice.
Teknik modal.
Lumayan nih dapat kantong kaset, pasti orang tua gue bangga.
Wake your ass up, cause it's time to go beast mode.
For my cousin, and then more for me friends. And then this.
Nggak bisa.
And then magnet for my fridge. Very pretty. Very pretty. And then I got rings. These are the rings I'm wearing right now.
It's like
And I bought 3 more for $10. Dan ternyata cincin 3 tuh lebih dari 100.000. Tapi gue berharap ini anti karat. So
mau coba?
kita karatin.
Kita coba kasih.
I bought this. It's a fidget ring. Jadi kalau dipakai nanti. And then I bought this basic one. It's nice to have like cincin
1.500 bagi 4.
cincin kayak tipis buat I don't know like cincin tebal for
Berarti 40 kilo.
finger. This
Masih kurang,
last
guys.
one. Cukup a gold ring karena gue nggak punya basic gold ring dan gue berharap ini kelihatan.
Gue pasti ngebuang.
That's it for my haul. Semoga yang terima suka dengan ikhlas. Review.
Banyak gitu sih.
Lo beli rasa apa?
Choco chip.
Lo beli rasa apa? Lo beli rasa apa?
Choco chip semua aja.
Gak ada yang beda. Minion Land. Wow, that's so huge. Queen. Look at her picture. It's so big. I'm reading this right now though. I'm gonna rot in here. I either need to buy one or I need to get the fuck out of here. I'm trying to find things that like I can't find. Oh, I'm trying to find things that I can't find in Puripas. And it's kind of hard because apparently everything is in Puripas. Come here. I haven't mentioned that. This is so embarrassing. Look at this spice. Look at this. That's kind of cool. Like 5 hours since I last turned on the camera. We had like things going on about being lost. But it's berapa ini, Cok? It's 8:53. Nggak tahu kelihatan. Ciki. Club. Cak. Anyway, kita ke sini. Oh. Wow. Baru berapa ini? I look like an assistant to an evil scientist. But anyway, we're here. Kelihatan. Oh, the moon is really bright. We're on the other side. Wait. No, we're not on the other side. Oh, well, yeah, we're on the other side. Yesterday, we were on that, and we were looking through here, and now we're here, looking through there. Huh? Boyfriend at my, boyfriend at my feet.
Capek lah. Indah ada kenangan.
Everywhere nanam kenanga, Cok. So pretty. Over by the moon. Mau dong duduk di pinggir boleh nggak?
Sini.
Ayo,
Sana dulu.
mau ke sana dulu.
Ayo, sana dulu yuk.
Oke.
Itu naik jembatan.
Hah?
Naik jembatan lewat tempat sana.
Bazir.
Itu dari mana mau nyebrang, mau berenang atau mau naik jembatan?
Mau nyebur. Ah, soalnya gue nggak bawa payung ini.
Takut hujan. Sedia hujan sebelum
Goblok. Sedia payung sebelum dibacok oleh payung orang lain. Kita kayak nge-rebel aja.
Yeah, I mean, dude, it's really gonna go. Probably gonna sweat more if you shower.
To an island where we'll meet. Hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower. Cycles of the garden. Through the trees. Move so pretty. You're all I see. As the world keeps spinning around, you hold me right here, right now. Can't really see. I put it on 0.5, and you can't really set lights, set brightness during 0.5. But there's like a lot of types of the trees, like this one and that one on the far is like glittery, and then this one. It's gonna come up with glitter anytime soon. I don't know why I'm whispering. I think I'm just afraid of the prospect of people hearing me and me being embarrassed. I'm tired. And they're making content right now, which you can't really see. Oh, there's a flash. Anyway. Hey y'all.
Holy shit.
It's so dark. Holy fuck.
Dark like my soul.
Anyway, we got in by the base and we passed.
C2 MRT. Wow, we could have.
No, really?
Yeah.
But like, will it be the same like path as us going home?
I see.
Anyway, we walked past somebody and they said something like, if you showered, doesn't that make you sweat? And then I went on like a little whatever. The reason why I last filmed when we went on the bookstore was because we were stressing about to go on like the second session of our heritage trip, and somebody was taking a little bit too long, and we ended up being like stressed about searching for a meeting point because like we didn't get to see enough around Orchard. We went to Brandy Melville to be with the rest of the little teenage girlies that have a lot of money that move here for vacation, but they still buy Brandy Melville even though they have it at home. I bought something. I'm not gonna say if I regret it or not. It was 37 Singaporean dollars.
I wanted to buy something, but the tops were either kind of short or
They were, like, press-ons.
No, not press-ons, but like
The neckline?
yeah, the neckline
too
is a
wide.
bit too V-shaped or like too wide.
You could have just used a tank top
I'm
inside.
too lazy. It's hot.
Well, I mean, that's true. But I bought something. I'll show it right here. And then we went on to Uniqlo.
That was it. Something interesting.
Yeah, we did.
But Sabia did bought. I suppose bought T-shirt for her girlfriend, her boyfriend.
And then we like sat around at like a mall near Orchard, and then we went to the third session, to the third location, but we were having trouble to like navigate around, and we decided to take a bus. And then when we took the bus, we were taking a long time, and the driver was like,
Hey,
Like-
hurry up.
yeah, he was like, hurry up. And then we just like, I don't know, and he like told us to like stay at the front of the bus because I guess he was scared for us to, I don't know, like mess up his truck or his bus or something. Oh yeah, and then I made friends with the bus driver, it turns out, because we were completely lost and we don't know how to navigate around a foreign country, so I decided to be brave and ask him.
You
And
have
then-
balls. I don't have balls.
I have big balls, bro. And then I ended up being kind of acquaintances with the bus driver, and like I even said bye-bye to him. Like I waved him goodbye, and he waved back to me. He was like, it was nice, and he like told me like a way around because we were gonna go to Sultan Gate Park, and then it ended up the bus didn't really directly go there, so we had to ask him, and then he corrected us, and then he was being nice about it to me, I guess. We were on a double-decker bus. I didn't even get to the top decker because like I was too stressed out about where we were gonna go. So, and then we stopped, and then halfway through the walk, we were dismissed. So because it was pretty close to our hotel, we went home.
Yeah. Ada keteras. I love our hotel. So PW, so strategis. Ada bidet. I love my bidet.
Yes, it's a pretty like mainstream thing now to have a bidet, especially when you live in like Southeast Asia, where we practice using toilet manners with the bidet. But yeah, we're pretty grateful to have a bidet in our bathroom hotel.
Maybe the hotel isn't as bad as Fabia said.
Yeah, honestly,
It's actually very good. I like it.
and like I don't really mind us not having breakfast when we could just literally walk and buy something from 7-Eleven and the other hot pot stores.
I don't like the smell of mala.
Yeah, we were kind of traumatized because we like ordered something and then there was too much mala and then we couldn't take it, and then we became traumatized ever since.
Salty.
Well, we went to the hotel and then we stayed, and then where did we go? Oh, and then we ordered Jollibee, but we didn't film any of it because we were too busy eating. And now we're here. That's all I have to say. Okay, we're being told to make it. Oh my god, I delivered phone. Okay, we're going to make a TikTok now to lip sync. Bye bye.
Aku mau ikut vlog.
Gak boleh. In case you can't see from the 0.5 thing that I did before, this is what it looks like. It's like 9:48 right now. It's supposed to be open until like 2 or something. But we're here. Even though there's not really any like lighting action changes, but we're still getting photos. Pretty. Whoever's in charge just turned it on. Look at that. Oh, well. Banyak.
Saya sarankan selalu dalam bahasa Inggris gunakan kata inheritance. Inheritance itu warisan. Jadi terjemahan warisan dalam bahasa Indonesia itu artinya bisa dua. Satu warisan dalam hal fisik, satu warisan dalam hal value, nilai. Untuk kita di Asia sebetulnya yang lebih dominan itu adalah warisan dalam arti value. Saya selalu ngomong gini, kalau menurut prinsip Barat, yang paling penting itu yang tangible. Seolah-olah tangible itu permanen, forever akan bisa diselamatkan.
Incoming. Perbedaan studio ini dari luar aja udah bagus. Panelnya official dan gede dan ada whiteboard juga.
Ini ceilingnya tinggi banget kan, ini ruangnya kan tinggi. Nggak perlu ditutup, cukup dipakai ceiling kayak gini, akustiknya jadi bagus. Kedua, setiap meja pakai roda. ada. Makanya suplai listriknya dari atas.
Studio's right over there. Look at that. This is the studio. We just walked out of there. And we came into view with this.
Kedaulatan industri work in progress. Karena ini ada proyek nasional.
Sumpah jelas banget.
Oh, oke. Kemarin baru ngomong di bawah anak-anak. Bernardo, kasih tahu ditambahin 3 performance gitu ya. Foto.
Oke.
From a thriving seaport to a colonial outpost to a global economic growth system.
Oh no. Lihat Ferris wheel-nya lucu banget. Gak ada singa. Merlion. Itu Merlion di situ di tengah-tengah. Coba sini. What does that mean? Flew over the island for 30 minutes?
Menurut gue dia kayak itu kan keliling-keliling cuman buat 30 menit dia udah bikin ini.
Damn. Lihat cara nunjukin ripple-nya pakai garis-garisan gitu. Ini sketchingnya cakep banget, Cok. Walaupun ini enggak, ini di print lah pasti. Oh, enggak ini kan. Oh ya? Mana? Lucu banget. Wow, bro, look at the detailing. Kok bisa ya? Bahkan mobil-mobilnya juga digambar. Like little buses and then cars. Lucu banget. Ini kayak campuran perspektif tapi kayak pohonnya rada-rada plan. But it's okay, soalnya kayak masih ketara kalau misalnya itu pohon gitu lah. This is so cool. Gue juga mau ke toilet, Cok.
Beneran ini kayak jiplakan kurikulum kita banget.
Bisa aja sih bener.
Lu kayak di sini sampai nyampe hidup nih.
Gak salah. Oh, ada mapping lagi. Tapi kayak
Cewek sini gak sih?
anjay, kita mau ke toilet, guys.
Oh jadi cewek-cewek oh itu emang.
Wow. Apa nih? Tiba-tiba ada distraction. Oh, ini yang Kal, versi kecil 1/500, 1/5000, terus ini paling 1 berapa gitu. Gila, Cok, keren banget. Wow, ini juga versi kecilnya, versi gedenya. Lucu banget. Nanti kita buat kayak gitu, guys. Semoga kita nggak mati ya buat kayak begituan.
Gue mau jadi artis dulu sebelum gue mati.
Amin.
Nah, jam 3 bisa nyampe hotel.
Udah sebenarnya lu sama Kalin, gue sama Tiara. Oke. Kita mau ketemu di hotel ya? 3 kalau bisa.
Selesai.
Oke.
Tapi maksimal jam boleh, Ru. Maksimal jam 4 pakai dia. Deal? Aku pengen.
Deal.
Kembali lah. Keluaran Pixel dengan siapa?
You're the best person I ever met.
Liar. Somebody's having a breakdown, but it's okay. Look at my things. I'm gonna freaking die. Hey, we're going home. Naik MRT ke Changi. So, I just wanted to come on and say bye-bye to our emotional support astronaut. Without you, kita nggak ada patokan buat hotel kita. Bye-bye astronaut. Biti lihat, Hagrid, ada Minion. Lihat ini. Apa coba? Kenapa ini exist? Kita salah terminal, jadi kita lewatin lagi ini. Gak ada bedanya sama aja. Nah tadi kayak di belakang ada, malu dia. Di belakang ada kayak tempat orang foto-foto. Ini udah hutan-hutannya, dia masih videoin. Gak tau kenapa dia masih videoin. Kita di transportasi kita ke berapa? Ke-47. Berbicara. Mau story time dikit, gua tadi ditahan soalnya bawa penggaris besi untuk gamkan gua. Enggak, disimpan. Kayak gue disuruh konfirmasi aja itu apaan. Sama kayak gue ada barang-barang metal, soalnya kan ganci gue metal dodol sama penggaris besi gue kan juga metal, jadi disuruh cek, disekolin. Ya sudah gue kalian apa dodol. Oh iya, itu sabun gue diambil guys. Sekian dari gue. Baggy jeans. Baggy anomali. Kaki. Nah, baru tuh Kak.
Tadi kan Ayu suruh kayak bersihin gedang itu. Terus Ayu nggak bikin. Terus kayak Ayu tuh kayak chop gitu lagi. Kayak
Tadi Kalinda kan dia pakai tank top ya guys. Terus aurat Changi. Nice info loh.
my man.
Gue nggak tahu mereka ketawain apa. Gue astagfirullah. Gue nggak tahu itu sarkas atau enggak anjing. Tapi gue merasa triggered.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a handfare announcement for passengers joining Jetstar.
Kata lu ini silent itu.
Cabin baggage at no additional charge from this stop at
bunyi kan?
Thank you.
Aneh. Enggak. Astagfirullah. Get the lights. Lihat muka orang yang berasa bahunya dingin. iPad kit banget aja, gak ada kerjaan. Lu gawat banget aja. Ngapain ya?
iPad times over. Ganti.
Bringing too many things and my body aches all over myself. And Mako is over there. Let me see. Ya. Karena udah dipanggil 26.30. No. Really? Oh no. Saya pulang kemana? Hah? Pulang kemana? Ke apa? Kita ke Malai dulu, terus kita stop by di. Terus kita mau ke Dubai.
Kita stop by dulu di Dubai, terus kita transit di Maldives.
Mau beli Dubai coklat.